सो मी एंड अरविंद, हमको तो अकेले छोड़ दिया, हम चल रहे। अभी आधा घंटा हो गया हम चल रहे, लेकिन देखते कौन हम लोग के लिए आता है कि नहीं लेने के लिए। वरना जब तक चलते रहो मुसाफिर, चलते रहो,
जिंदगी अकेले ही चलते रहो।
Hey guys, so very good morning and welcome back to my channel Mumbaikar Boys. So yes, today we are here actually going on a trip with the boys. Unfortunately, due to the section 144 in Goa as well, the work has a little been affected, and yes, we have got extra offs this time. So yes, this is a impromptu plan that was made on Sunday to actually go out today. So we are here right now, you've read it in the description. We are going to this beautiful beach in Goa. Definitely a must go beach if you are in Goa. So please enjoy this trip with us and see you at Butterfly Beach soon. So now we are four of us actually. Nandu is going to be the driver. We're waiting for Nandu. He's on his way. You have Arvind behind and Pradeep. So the bouncers team has gone in the other car, that is Keith's car. They have gone in Keith's car, and we are in our car. You can see the driver coming in. One moment, I'll show you the drivers coming in. We paid him only 50 rupees because he's a kacha driver, not pakka driver. So we paid him only 50 rupees. He's coming now. He's also the waterman. You can see him bringing some water. इधर बात कर रहे हैं। वो बड़ा ही वाला ले लेना। So now we are actually going towards the Panjim New Bridge. This is my first time recording the Panjim Bridge with Green Lightning as well. And yes, I hope we're going to enjoy this beautiful day off and this ride with the team of boys. So while you enjoy the Panjim Bridge, let me take you through what exactly is this place that we're going to explore. It is the Butterfly Beach, which is approximately 80 kilometers from Mapsa. Around 2 hours drive by car, and if you're coming from Margao, it is approximately 37 kilometers only. It is a beach in the north of Palolem Beach, and it is in the south of Goa. The best time to visit this beach is basically between November to March, and that is the best time for you to actually explore the place. Is because it's going to be not raining, and when it's raining, it's actually too much of muck. You will see why I'm saying that in a short while. So finally we have reached the Butterfly Beach area. Now unfortunately or fortunately, I have Arvind with me again. Now this walk actually from here to the beach is around 45 minutes, and it's an off-roading. So what happens is you have to walk. Now Arvind has come with a bike to pick me up, otherwise we had both the cars. This is Green Lightning, you can see over here, and this is my cousin Swift, where the boys had come in. So right now it's time to actually go. Lucky that Arvind is there, otherwise that walk is 45 minutes. So let's see how long and how fast we cover this ride to Butterfly Beach and what's the experience. Stay tuned. You can park the cars over here. They charge a minimum of 100 rupees for car and 200 rupees for bike. That is what we read over there. And they have a small little cafe right here. And that's what you can see Arvind coming with the bike. Hey Arvind, can I get a lift please?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so Arvind is going to take me, and this is the journey now from here on. You can see that is the road, that is the side we have to go.
Yes.
So Arvind knows because he's dropped all of them and now he's come. The last person to pick up was me. Let's go and sit. Let's enjoy this ride now. The road is very slippery during rains, I think.
Yes.
पूरा off-roading है क्या आगे तक?
Yes, totally.
अरे shit यार, what a beautiful road.
But it's too dangerous in rain.
Yes, it will be dangerous in rains. Correct what Arvind said. बारिश में तो हाँ फटेगी क्योंकि it will be very slippery. There will be water. I think ये सब जगहों पे पानी भरता रहेगा ये.
ये पूरा भर जाता
क्योंकि
होगा.
मैंने एक व्लॉग देखा था पहले बटरफ्लाई बीच का, जिधर सब पानी भर के फिर कोई टूरिस्ट बाइक लेके अपना जा रहा था. मैं एक दिन अभी लैला को लेके आता हूँ इधर. आपका क्या बोलना है इसके ऊपर?
Yes, it will be a very good experience with Laila.
ओह माय
On
गॉड
this
अरविंद
road.
आगे देखो क्या हो रहा है.
Oh my God, it's too bad यार. Again.
इसमें भी लेके गए थे आप? Come on Arvind, you can do it. And we have made it.
Made it. Done.
I told Arvind that let me try riding the Activa on these roads, and that's exactly what we are doing. You can see the experience. It's basically all through dense forest that you have to actually ride to. Yes, the walk is approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. Not recommended for children, not recommended for women who are pregnant. Guys who are watching this, your wife is pregnant or anything, it's not feasible for her to walk this way. So we're almost reaching the spot, Arvind, or बहुत time है और?
Yes, only it's reaching.
Okay, so we're almost reaching the spot. You can hear all different weird noises of birds and animals because of course in the night I'm sure there'll be a lot of reptiles moving up and down. Ooh la la! Oh my god! Will the bike make it? Yes, it is. So getting Laila over here will be a little challenging because as per my height for Laila, I am a little tippy toe. The leg is proper, but during in such riding situations, it becomes a little difficult. But yes, I think Laila, I should bring Laila once over here. So Laila should also experience this off-roading. अरे अरविंद पहुंचे कि नहीं?
Yes, almost reach, almost reach.
So we have finally made it to the parking. There's somebody's, which bike is Yamaha, that is parked here, and now it's time to actually go walking to the beach. We'll keep the bike here. This is the last point that the bike reaches, and let's now go walking down. So now it's the difficult time. It's basically walk towards the beach. इसमें कितना time लगेगा अरविंद नीचे जाने के लिए?
5 to 8 minutes.
So it's only 5 to 8 minutes. So enjoy this 360 view of the walk down, as well as we will try and get you a time warp of the walk down. Enjoy. Finally made it to the beach. Yes, that walk was fruitful. You can see most of the guys over here. So that's the beach for most of you guys. So most of the guys are all there up. You can see all of them over there. So Jonty and I decided to come to the water. Jonty is a very good swimmer, I am not, and it is very deep because where Jonty is going, it is deep at the moment. And the beach doesn't have much of public because yes, you've seen the boats that are coming here are from Palolem beach, and from Agonda beach the boats come here to take you on a small little tour of the Butterfly Beach. Jonty right there. And Ajay. Hi, darling. So now I'm going to go to the most beautiful spot for all Instagrammers and YouTubers. Is that mountain right there, that cliff that you can see right there. So we're going to go up there now. That's the way you need to go up. So this is the first level that I've reached right now. I came walking all that way and I'm tired. I'm out of breath. Check out the view from here. So I literally lost my breath while coming up. It's only because when I was swimming, I was pulled twice into the water. The current force is really strong and the water is deep over at the Butterfly Beach. Right now we are at a very high point. You can see the beach right there behind me, and that is where I'm exactly seated right now. The best time to actually visit the Butterfly Beach is between 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. That is in case you do not want to, be there during the heat period, that is post 11 a.m. And also 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. is the ideal time to actually even you enjoy the sunset. We were there here for a picnic, so in case you're coming for a picnic, we spend the entire day here. Carry your own food, water bottles, a few snacks, because it's all the way, you need to go back those 3 kilometers actually to get something if you need. Well, this beach is very famous to spot different types of butterflies, but we were not lucky enough to actually spot them because it could be due to the mating season or they have a particular month. But if you're lucky to stand a chance, you could also see a few dolphins because they come closer to these beaches. So it's around 4:30 and I'm sitting on this beautiful rock. You can see the view behind. Yes, the sun is also about to set, but I cannot get the sunset is because of this huge mountain behind me. So yes, otherwise I'm enjoying this beautiful calm beach with less of tourists and less of people. I hope you're enjoying it with me as well. So hey guys, this is the last few moments at Butterfly Beach. Well, it is the only negative side is there's no restaurant over here. That's the only reason. You need to get your own food and come. Otherwise, it's friends. Get your speakers and enjoy. This is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you so much. Share, like and subscribe to the channel to many more vlogs about Goa and different places of Goa to be shown to you, to be explored. So me and Arvind, हमको तो अकेले छोड़ दिया, हम चल रहे. अभी आधा घंटा हो गया हम चल रहे, लेकिन देखते कौन हम लोग के लिए आता है कि नहीं लेने के लिए. वरना जब तक चलते रहो मुसाफिर, चलते रहो.
जिंदगी अकेले ही चलते रहो.